What if I told you that combining your favorite investment apps could be the secret to supercharging your financial growth? We're not just talking about having a few apps on your phone, we're talking about strategically leveraging their unique strengths to create a diversified, robust, and incredibly efficient investment portfolio. Many of us start our investment journey with a single app, perhaps one that's popular for its ease of use or its specific niche. For a lot of people, that initial foray into investing often begins with Acorns. It's fantastic for getting your feet wet, for the sheer simplicity of rounding up your spare change and investing it automatically. But what happens when you've outgrown that initial comfort zone? What happens when you realize there's a whole world of investment opportunities beyond micro-investing? That's precisely what we're diving into today. How to effectively use Acorns not in isolation, but in conjunction with other powerful investment apps. Think of it as building a financial dream team, where each app plays a crucial role in your overall strategy. We'll explore the why behind this multi-app approach, the how of integrating them seamlessly, and the what of choosing the right companions for Acorns. By the end of this script, you'll have a clear roadmap for maximizing your investment potential, building a more resilient portfolio, and ultimately, accelerating your journey towards financial freedom. Let's start by acknowledging the elephant in the room. Why bother with multiple apps when one seems to do the job? The answer lies in diversification, specialization, and optimization. No single investment app is a one-stop shop for every financial goal. Acorns, for instance, excels at automated, low-friction investing. Its roundup feature is brilliant for effortlessly saving and investing small amounts, making it ideal for beginners or those who struggle with consistent saving. It also offers diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance, which is a great starting point. However, Acorns might not be the best platform if you want to actively trade individual stocks, explore complex option strategies, or gain exposure to alternative assets like real estate or cryptocurrencies directly within the app. This is where other apps come into play. Imagine you're building a house. Acorns might be your solid foundation, essential, reliable, and provides a good base. But you wouldn't build the entire house with just the foundation, would you? You'd need walls, a roof, plumbing, and electricity, each provided by different specialists. Similarly, your investment portfolio needs different components to be truly robust. So, what are some of the common scenarios where combining Acorns with other apps makes perfect sense? Firstly, expanding beyond diversified ETFs. While Acorns offers diversified portfolios of ETFs, you might want to invest in specific companies you believe in, or sectors that are not heavily weighted in Acorns' pre-built portfolios. This is where commission-free trading apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity Go come into their own. These platforms allow you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs, giving you more granular control over your holdings. You could use Acorns for your long-term, set-it-and-forget-it core portfolio, and then use another app for more targeted, speculative, or high-conviction investments. Secondly, active trading and advanced strategies. If you're looking to delve into day trading, swing trading, options, or futures, Acorns is simply not designed for that. Apps like Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, or even E-Trade offer sophisticated charting tools, research capabilities, and a wide array of investment products suitable for more active traders. This doesn't mean you abandon Acorns, rather, you use it as a foundational layer, while these other apps become your playground for more advanced strategies. Thirdly, accessing alternative investments. The world of investing is vast, and it extends beyond stocks and bonds. Cryptocurrencies, real estate crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, these are all alternative asset classes that can further diversify your portfolio and potentially offer higher returns, albeit with higher risk. Apps like Coinbase or Binance are essential if you want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mobile can give you exposure to real estate without buying an entire property. Acorns doesn't offer direct access to these, so integrating specialized apps is crucial for true diversification. Fourthly, tax-advantaged accounts and retirement planning. While Acorns does offer Acorns Later for IRAs, you might find more comprehensive options and lower fees for retirement accounts with traditional brokerages like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. These institutions often have a wider range of mutual funds, ETFs, and individual stocks available within their IRA and 401k platforms. You could use Acorns for your taxable investments and micro-investing, while your primary retirement savings are managed through a dedicated brokerage that offers more choices and potentially better tax efficiency. Fifthly, goal-specific savings and budgeting integration. Some apps excel at helping you save for specific goals or manage your budget. Apps like Inab, You Need a Budget, Mint, or Personal Capital offer robust budgeting tools, net worth tracking, and goal-setting features that go beyond what Acorns provides. While Acorns helps you invest, these apps help you manage your entire financial picture, ensuring you have enough capital to invest in the first place and helping you prioritize your financial goals. You can link your Acorns account to these budgeting apps to get a holistic view of your finances. Now, let's get into the practicalities. How do you actually use Acorns alongside other investment apps without it becoming a logistical nightmare? The key is strategic allocation and clear purpose for each app. Step 1. Define the role of each app. Before you download a dozen apps, sit down and determine the primary function of each. Acorns, your micro-investing powerhouse, ideal for automated savings, roundups, and building a diversified, passive core portfolio, especially for long-term growth. Think of it as your set-it-and-forget-it wealth builder. Commission-free stock brokerage, e.g., Robinhood, Fidelity Go, Charles Schwab for investing in individual stocks, specific ETFs not offered by Acorns, or for building a more customized equity portfolio based on your research and conviction. This is where you might express your belief in specific companies or industries. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.